My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Audi A5. This vehicle has done just over 36,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation and map, smartphone integration, radio, and media. Just below our screen, we have our 3-zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Just below, we can see that we have our parking sensors, and if we press drive select, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.